But beyond its social uses, palm wine is also known for its health benefits, which include improving eyesight. When dị n'obele, a na-enye m nkwụ enu ka m ṅụọ maka na anya na-egbu m mgbu. Recent studies have shed light on the natural and medicinal properties of this ancient beverage. Hello and welcome to My African Village TV, your guide to the hidden treasures of Africa. And one of these treasures, guess, you already know, right? So today, we dive into the heart of Nigeria to uncover the rich history and vibrant culture of the Igbo people through one of their most cherished treasures. Right? You heard that. Palm wine. Maọbụ Nkwu Enu, maọbụ mmanya ngwọ, or palmy, whether you call it white wine or dabasiano. And so, this traditional beverage is more than just a drink. It is a symbol of unity, festivity, and heritage. So, let's embark on this intoxicating journey together. Nkwu Enu holds a sacred spot in the heart of West Africa, but is particularly significant to Igbo of Nigeria, where it is believed to have originated. This naturally fresh drink is sourced from the sap of various species of palm tree, such as the oil palm and raffia palm. The process of extracting palm wine is as fascinating as the drink itself. Skilled tappers, scale the tall palms early in the morning or late in the evening to collect the fresh sap, which begins fermenting immediately. So, because I realized that in some part of African countries, West Africa precisely, like Benin Republic, they had to let it ferment until they call it sudabi. We move. So it starts fermenting immediately due to natural yeast in the air and in the palmy. The result? A refreshing, mildly alcoholic beverage that forms an integral part of daily life and special occasions. Before we delve deeper into the uses of palm wine, let's appreciate the rich culture of the Igbo tribe. The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Known for their deep respect for traditions, the Igbo people have a vibrant society structured around kingship and community. Their social life filled with colorful festivals, traditional music, and dance is a testament to their enduring heritage. The Igbo culture is dynamic and influential, not only within Nigeria, but globally. Our customs, language, and practices, like the use of palm wine, resonate far beyond our borders, embodying our values of unity and hospitality. Nkwu Enu isn't just consumed for its delightful taste. It plays a pivotal role in traditional ceremonies and everyday life. From weddings and funerals to the installation of a new king, no significant event is complete without it. At weddings, palm wine is used during Igbo maọbụ ihe ndị oyibo na-akpọ traditional marriage, where the bride carries a cup of this Nkwu Enu to her husband in a symbolic act of unity. Jikwana bụ Nkwu Enu atachara ụkpaka maọbụ ụgba, anụ ọkpọọ, azụ ọkpọọ, nkwobi, isi ewu, I know that somebody's salivating. Palm wine is also a traditional way of welcoming guests. Eji enete maọbụ nabata ndị ọbịa maọbụ ndị mbịarambịa, showcasing the Igbos' hospitality. But beyond its social uses, palm wine is also known for its health benefits, which include improving eyesight. Mgbe ndị n'obele, a na-enye m nkwu enu ka m ṅụọ maka na anya na-egbu m mgbu. And trust me, it helped a lot. Let us dive into the health benefits of palm wine. Recent studies have shed light on the natural and medicinal properties of this ancient beverage. Palm wine is a natural source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and potassium. It is also rich in antioxidants and beneficial compounds like saponins and flavonoids, which may help combat oxidative stress and inflammation of the body. Some research suggests that moderate consumption of palm wine may contribute to improved digestion, as it contains enzymes that aid in the breakdown of food. Additionally, palm wine has been traditionally used to treat various ailments such as respiratory infections, jaundice, and even certain types of cancer, although more research is needed to fully understand its medicinal potential. The global recognition of Igbo extends across continents. Influential in politics, literature, and arts, the Igbos have made significant marks worldwide, with their culture and traditions continuously celebrated. As we've seen today, palm wine is more than just a beverage. It's a symbol of life, continuity, and community in Igbo culture. Its role in ceremonies, its health benefit, and its cultural significance make it a revered tradition that the Igbo people proudly share with the world. As we conclude our exploration of palm wine, Nkwu Enu, and its deep-rooted connections to the Igbo culture, it is important to acknowledge the global prestige and respect that the Igbo tribe commands. Despite facing numerous challenges throughout history, the resilience and determination of Igbo have allowed them to thrive and make significant contributions to various fields, including entrepreneurship. The Igbo tribe enduring spirit, coupled with their rich cultural heritage, has earned them admiration and respect across the African continent and beyond. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the preservation and celebration of traditions like Nkwu Enu tapping serve as a reminder of the inviolable diversity and richness of human cultures. So the next time you raise a glass of Bami, remember the centuries of tradition, resilience, and cultural pride that it embodies, a true testament of the enduring legacy of the remarkable Igbo. Thank you so much for joining me today. Akabukwa mwadu Splendour Ngozi. Ka anyị kparịkọtawa nkata na comment section. Ndewo.